The program that Swagelok's developed allows our customers to feel better that their systems are being taken care of and that there is actual ownership. They can focus on running their business and utilizing the gas, which is really what they want to do. The gas distribution program enables a modular platform that can meet a wide range of needs to deliver those gases safely and efficiently throughout a laboratory or plant or analytical system.
Whenever there's a leakage, it comes along with needed maintenance and servicing. And not to forget the downtime that might happen to the process. If you have a reliable system in place, you don't have to worry about all these things.
It's intended to tackle the problems associated with taking gas from a cylinder source to any point of use that they may have, so that the customer doesn't have to design their whole system from scratch.
What we have done is we have optimized the size of our panel designs, small enough to where we can efficiently fit it to where it needs to be, but also big enough to where it can still be easily serviceable.
The SSI is the Swagelok source inlet. It's designed to take pressure from the gas bottle through a bottle connector, through a filter, and then into the panel.
It connects the bottle to the first stage of regulation. And as we were engineering it, we discovered that there was a need to have a lot of variation in it. A lot of folks need to connect more than just one bottle at a time, and so it's configurable from just supplying gas from one bottle to many bottles manifolded together.
The SGP is Swagelok's gas panel. It's the main delivery panel that would be used at the bottle. So the bottle is obviously coming in at a few hundred bar, a few thousand PSI. We need to drop that down for distribution around the customer's site. So that initial panel can be highly configurable. There's quite a few options around it as to whether it's single stage, a dual stage panel. It's really there to do that main drop of pressure to get the gas around the customer's site at a comfortable distribution pressure.
You can set your system pressure right there as it's coming out of the bottle. Instead of having individual bottle regulators, you have one that'll be used for all of them. So it's a lot more of a cost savings and very easy to control.
The other primary regulation option would be the SCO, which is our new standard changeover. That's an assembly which can accept gas inputs from two separate sources, and it's designed to draw from only one source at a time. Once the primary source has depleted itself to the changeover pressure, it will automatically and seamlessly begin drawing from the secondary source. And that allows the customer to have uninterrupted gas supply as they need to change their bottles out.
The new design allows us to change over at a much lower pressure. So what does that do for our customers? It allows them to use more of the gas in the bottles, saving them money instead of replenishing the bottles and leaving excess gas in there and sending that back to the supplier. So now they're actually using everything or almost everything that they're paying for.
Swagelok's point of use system is a panel that is designed to, once that manifold pressure has been distributed around site, it's designed to take that gas to its point of use. It can then be controlled by the end user to change the pressure depending on what was required at the back end.
The point of use panel is designed to be very compact with a variety of mounting options to accommodate many different needs. We've seen customers who need to mount them on a bench, above or below a bench in various labs, along the unistrut, on the wall.
So through the development of our gas distribution program, we took a lot of time to listen to our customers and hear about how they perform maintenance or troubleshoot these systems. One thing we learned was having all the components on the front of the panel where lines are easily visible and traceable. You can understand what's happening with the panel at a glance. Makes a huge difference in how these panels are not only worked on, but used in the field. So ensuring that every time that they have to take a line down and basically put an entire lab out of commission, that happens for the shortest time period. With a system that's much more easy to understand, components can be swapped in and out pretty easily, that maintenance time gets cut dramatically.